going for a portrait over here, and this is a portrait. It's a little bit, kind of a gesture of the portrait. I was trying the white method over here to just learn about this method, how people throw layers and clean it up. So before that, after this, I just realized that my palette is dirty and all, so I just clean my palette up. So I will first apply the colors, then I will start the portrait itself. Yes. So for colors, I like to go with a lot of colors, and I'm going with vermilion hue and a little bit crimson red. Okay, then one of my most used colors, it is Cadmium Yellow Deep. So I often use this color a lot. So yeah, and then I'm going with yellow ochre. Nowadays I draw the skin tone with yellow ochre. It feels like a real skin tone kind of vibe it gives me. So I goes with yellow ochre. Then I have Panchina, sorry, Banambar. Okay, so the tube is going to be finished, and I just have to put my both hands for this. Okay. So for the depth, I want to go. I use purple. It's magenta, something like that. Oof. So purple, a little bit more purple. Yes. Then I was going to use white, but titanic white over here for this portrait, but I have changed, and now I'm going to use this. It's flake white, and I have listened. Many people have told me that this white is for this white can destroy the color pigment of other colors, but other whites will not destroy it because this is very deep white. The pigments are very sharp, and the pigments are blend kind of thing, something like that. I will. I really don't know that much about whites, so this is my second time using this. First time when I used this, my entire drawing was ruined and all, and so it will be my first time using flake white for a portrait and all. So before going for the portrait itself, I will love to mix some colors. So yeah. Okay, so for this work, we are going for yellow ochre and cadmium red, Banambar, magenta, and flake white. Okay, so I will show you the colors. Uh, this purple and flake white. Okay, just give me a second. So these colors that I'm going to use, okay, is for this work. Second is this, third, fourth, and fifth. Yes, I usually put red patches and all. So I have taken out a little bit of crimson red and yellow. Sorry, crimson yellow deep. Yes, I usually in my entire 3 years of drawing career and 2 years, 1.5 year working as an oil student, I have usually done my entire skin color process with cadmium yellow and it is vermilion hue. I used to mix these three colors with titanium, these two colors with titanium white to make these skin colors. But recently, I have changed that and I'm using cadmium red and yellow ochre, and I have changed my white as well because of the pigment issue. So yeah, I hope this working comes out pretty good and all. And now I will not speak because I'm listening music. Yes. Okay, so I was really scared about this because I just did my reference was done by brush itself, brush and oil colors. So I don't do that kind of stuff. So I was pretty scared that it will turn out bad. And now the half portrait is complete, half work is complete. Sorry for that. So I think it is going quite well. And now the only stuff I'm scared of is this eyes are looking a little bit weird. I have to take do it a little bit proper. This eye have gone too big and this is too small. Maybe it's this way, so it is just a feeling to me. But still, I will check out that. And then I'm scared of for lips because I have a very bad color mixing theory for lips. So yes, then after lips, I'm worried about ears because ears are also one of my weakness, and as a student, I am not proud to say that, but I'm working on it. So if you are watching till now, I just want to say thank you for that.
So I will say the proportion of the eyeball have gone really weird and all. So I will ask an apology for that. And the next video, I will try to improve. See, I can improve in this also. It will just be a little bit of hodgepodge and all. But the thing is, I think if I did in this video, in this work, I will never see this work, bad afterwards. So I want to see this word bad, and I can feel, I can know after 10 to 15 days, I can just see the mistake over here, and I can remember that I did this mistake. So this entire work was, ruined and all. So that is how I used to do work, and I do work. So yes, I am not going to change the eyeballs and all in this. So little bit of highlights and hairs to go. So I am thinking now to use titanium white for hairs, because the other white was expensive. Flake white is expensive, but I did not use it after all.